Sounds good. I agree or find the plan acceptable. My bad. My mistake. Hang on. Wait a moment. I'm in. I want to join or participate. I'm out. I'm leaving or choosing not to participate. You bet. Of course. Or definitely. Fair enough. That is reasonable or acceptable. No big deal. It is not important or not a serious problem. That works. That is okay or convenient for me. I get it. I understand. Makes sense. That is logical or easy to understand. Give me a sec. Wait a second. Take care. Goodbye and stay safe. Deal. An agreement is accepted. Good for you. Praise or congratulations. Here we go. Let's begin or something is starting. Hit me up. Contact me or message me. It is what it is. Accepting a situation that cannot be changed. Never mind. Forget about it or it doesn't matter. No worries. Don't worry about it or you're welcome. Keep in touch. Stay in contact with someone. Not a chance. It is completely impossible. Sleep on it. Take time to think before making a decision. Count me out. Do not include me in your plans. So far, so good. Everything is going well up to this point. Keep it up. Continue doing a great job. Catch you later. Goodbye. I will see you again soon. Break a leg. Good luck, especially before a performance. Call it a day. Stop working on something for the rest of the day. Cheer up. Start feeling happier. Beats me. I have absolutely no idea. Feel free. You have permission to do something without hesitating. By all means, yes, absolutely and definitely. Cut it out. Stop doing something annoying. Hold your horses. Wait and slow down. Speak of the devil. Said when a person appears just as you are talking about them. Time's up. The allowed period of time has ended. Up to you. It is your decision to make. What's up? How are you and what is happening? Take it easy. Relax or calm down. Keep your chin up. Stay positive during a difficult time. Out of the blue. Completely unexpectedly. Piece of cake. Something that is very easy to do. Back out. Withdraw from a commitment or agreement. Suit yourself. Do whatever you want, even if I don't agree. Step it up. Increase your effort or speed. Spill the beans. Reveal a secret. On the fence. Undecided about a choice. Cross that bridge when we come to it. Deal with a problem only when it actually happens. Once in a blue moon, happening very rarely. Drop the subject. Stop talking about a specific topic. Hit the sack. Go to bed to sleep. I'm broke. I have no money right now. Long story short, to summarize a long explanation quickly. Miss the boat. To miss an opportunity. No problem. You are welcome. You are welcome, or it was easy to do. Pull yourself together. Calm down and control your emotions. See eye to eye. To agree fully with someone. Take it with a grain of salt. Do not completely believe something you hear. Think outside the box. Think creatively instead of using traditional ideas. Touch base. Briefly contact someone to update them. Under the weather. Feeling slightly sick or unwell. Ring a bell. Sound familiar to you. Go with the flow. Accept things as they happen without trying to control them. Get a grip. Control your behavior or fear. Face the music. Accept the unpleasant consequences of your actions. Cost an arm and a leg. To be extremely expensive. Drive someone crazy. To annoy or irritate someone immensely. Easy does it. Move slowly and carefully. Bite the bullet. Face a difficult situation with courage. Better late than never. It is better to arrive or finish late than not at all. Wrap it up. Bring something to an end or finish it. Day in, day out. Continuously or repeatedly every single day. Screw up. To make a big mistake. So what? Why does that matter? Or why should I care? Figure it out. Find a solution or understand something. Get out of hand. Become wild or impossible to control. Give it a shot. To try doing something new. Go Dutch. Spill the bill equally at a restaurant. In the loop. Keeping someone informed about a situation. Out of the loop. Not informed about a situation. Keep your fingers crossed. Hope for good luck or a positive outcome. Make a long story short. Tell the main facts without details. Play it by ear. Decide what to do as a situation develops instead of planning. Safe and sound. Completely safe and uninjured. Same here. I agree or feel the exact same way. Take your time. There's no need to hurry. Tell me about it. I agree completely because I've experienced the same thing. Toss up. A result that is entirely predictable by chance or evenly split. Walk on eggshells. Be extremely careful not to offend or upset someone. Watch out. Be careful of immediate danger. What a shame. Expressing sadness or disappointment about a situation. You rock. You are excellent or amazing. You wish. Used to say that something is highly unlikely to happen. Your guess is as good as mine. I do not know the answer any more than you do. Zero in on. Focus directly and completely on one thing. Zip your lip. Stop talking or keep a secret. Back to square one. Return to the very beginning of a task after failing. Change your mind. Adopt a different opinion or decision. Catch my breath. Stop to rest after physical exertion to breathe normally.